going on, YouTube? I'm back at it again. Today we're going to be unboxing a Rock Island Armory 1911 A1. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to start off with this bag that it comes with. Go ahead and unzip it. And here's the start of the show. Comes in this plastic bag. Not very demure at all. Sorry, I only have one hand. But there you go. So here you go. You're going to get your pistol here, and then it's going to come with this stop that you're just going to remove. Take that off. And then it comes with this sign here that says stop. On the back is your warning, says to read the instruction manual. Very good advice. The box that it comes with actually comes with a couple of QR codes. One for your instruction manual, and then one for warranty activation. So that's actually a little more high-tech than normal, because normally they just give you the physical thing, physical manual. So here is your pistol. It feels really nice in your hands. I mean, this feels like a proper 1911. I do like the rail down here, so you can attach a light. I got this on sale. I think I was on Gun Deals, and it was like some crazy low price, like 300 bucks, maybe 400 bucks, I forgot. But I just couldn't pass it up. So when I purchased this, maybe noticing we're missing our magazine. It's going to be inside the little carrying case that comes inside the box. Cool little Rock Island Armory embroidered bag here. And in the bag, here is your magazine. The case here comes with an extra magazine and then a place where you can hold your firearm. So it's nice and snug, but I mean, I would get a proper case. And then there's a pouch up here where it has all the goodies or baddies, I don't know, that you may want. So it comes with your inspection card. And then this, I believe, is your cleaning kit, because you have to take it down in a particular way. Oh, you have an actual owner's manual for the 1911 A1 and A2 models. So just still low tech, living in the Stone Age. You have your lock. So if you want to lock it, keep it safe. And then I guess if you're feeling crazy, which you shouldn't be if you're purchasing guns, you can talk about it with these guys. So that's in your pouch. Keep that stored in here so we don't lose it. And then you can go ahead and zip it back up, and now you have a little gun case to go to the range. I would get a proper one, but I mean, if you don't have one, this is I guess a good alternative to have. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's basically all that comes in your little box here. I can't wait to get this out to the range because I have always wanted a 1911. I was like, not the biggest fan. It's not like I'm a Glock fanboy or anything. I just wasn't a big fan. But I like the way this one looked, and at the price it was at, I couldn't say no. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out to the range and then do a review on it after a few hundred rounds. So stay tuned for that, guys. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Have a great day.